In today's video, I'm going to discuss the concept of hybrid picking, what this is, why we might use it, and also demonstrate an idea that you can use in your own playing. So hybrid picking is the idea of using both pick and fingers on the right hand. This gives us much greater accessibility in terms of the amount of strings we can play at a given point, and also provides a unique tone that we might not normally get when we're just flat picking. For example, country guitar playing is often made up of that chicken picking sound.
Move your tail! You look like a girl out there. What's the matter with you?
I feel like a Kentucky Fried Idiot.
Which provides quite a unique tone. In order to get that snap and twang we encounter in country solos, we often need to be plucking double stops. Usually, a good way to apply this idea is to pick one note and then pluck a double stop with the middle and third finger. Another situation in which we see hybrid picking being used is in rhythm playing, which again gives us greater accessibility to play more strings at any given point. Now I want to demonstrate a hybrid picking lick that you can use in your own playing to get you started with this technique. This idea is in the key of E minor. We're starting with our first finger on fret 8 of the B string. We use the middle finger on the picking hand to play this note. Little finger then plays fret 11 of the G string with a downstroke on the picking hand. Then we use the third finger on the picking hand to play the higher E string. Use that open string as an opportunity to move your left hand over slightly. We're going to place the first finger on fret 7 of the G string. We're using the middle finger on the picking hand. So far the right hand fingers are as follows. Middle, down pick, third finger, middle finger. Then we're going to play fret 10 on the D string with our little finger and using a downstroke on the picking hand. Then we'll play the open B string with our third finger on the picking hand. Index finger on the left hand then plays fret 7 of the D string. Middle finger on the picking hand plays the open G string. Then we're going to apply the third finger onto fret 9 of the A string. We're going to pick that and pull off to fret 7. Then an open D string using the middle finger on the picking hand. Again, we're just going to go over the picking hand fingers up to that point. So middle, down pick, third finger, middle, down pick, third finger, down pick, middle finger, down pick, pull off. That's followed by the middle finger playing the open D string. Then our middle finger on the left hand is going to play fret 8 of the low E string, and then we're going to pull off to fret 7. Then with the middle finger on the picking hand, play the open A string. Notice I'm moving my left hand up towards the second position, so around fret 2, because that's where we're going to be playing next. So then we're going to play the third fret on the low E string, and then the open E string. I'll go over the picking fingers again, so middle, down pick, third finger, middle, down pick, third finger, down pick, middle finger, down pick, pull off, middle finger, down pick, pull off, middle finger, down pick, and then we're going to pick open E string with a down pick. The last bit is just flat picking using pull-offs in the pentatonic scale, starting with our middle finger on fret 2 of the D string, down pick, pull off. Same on the A string, then 3rd fret E string, and then open E string. The whole thing is as follows. Let's discuss the hybrid picking on the right hand all the way through. Middle, down pick, 3rd finger, middle finger, down pick, 3rd finger, down pick, middle finger, down pick, pull off, middle finger, down pick, pull off, middle finger, down pick, down pick, down, pull off, down, pull off, down, down. Let's quickly discuss the rhythm as well. So it's mostly made up of semiquavers, which is 4 equal notes in a beat. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. So the last note I played just then is a quaver, so that's lasting half a beat, that's on the and of the beat. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and then 1 and 2 E and 3. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you found something useful from this video. I uploaded this after someone requested a lesson on hybrid picking. If there's any other tutorials you feel you could benefit from, please feel free to leave a comment below, as I'm always happy to help others enhance their guitar playing. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.